Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on your Chrome. So first of all, go to search bar and type Google Chrome, or you can simply type Chrome, then click here to open it. Then on this window on the right top side, click on these three dots, then go to settings, more tools, and after that click on clear browsing data. You can simply press Ctrl Shift Delete together to open this window, clear browsing data. Now we need to select time range. As per your preference, select the time range, then go to advanced tab. Now select this all browsing history, download history, cookies and other sites and data. Also you can select time range from here. After that click on clear data, select. So here we go, that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.